Hello all, welcome to Study with you Mahi. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 22nd January current affairs. Our first topic is Telangana government signed an MOU with Skyroot Aerospace. Under MOU, Skyroot will establish an integrated private rocket manufacturing, integration and testing unit. The investment for this project is rupees 500 crores. Skyroot Aerospace belongs to space technology sector and it is located in Hyderabad. It is an Indian private aerospace manufacturer and commercial launch service provider. Next topic is DRDO has successfully tested a scramjet engine developed for use in the launch of hypersonic missile that travels at a 5 times the speed of sound. DRDL, which is nothing but the Defense Research and Development Laboratory located in Hyderabad, which is a part of DRDO, has developed this engine. This scramjet engine was tested for the first time in the country at DRDL itself. Along with India, USA, China, and Russia is also working on the development of hypersonic technology. This scramjet engine is the ground test type and the speed of this is 5400 km per hour. Next one is India's Navy participates in the joint military exercise in the Indo-Pacific region. Participants are India, USA, France and other 6 countries. Countering the China's growing military influence and addressing regional tensions, and the ship involved in this military exercise is INS Mumbai, which is very important, and the area of operation is straits between Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Do comment what is meant by straits. Next topic is first Coco World Cup. Both men's team and the women's team defeated Nepal. This first Coco World Cup was held at Indira Gandhi Stadium, which is located in New Delhi. The tournament was organized by the Coco Federation of India and the International Coco Federation. Next one is Arjuna Award. Arjuna Award is the India's second highest sporting accolade. The Arjuna Award is given to the sportspersons who have excelled in the both national and international competitions. This year, the award was given to 2 persons, Jivanji Deepthi and Jyoti Yeraji. Jivanji Deepthi belongs to Telangana state, whereas Jyoti Yeraji belongs to Andhra Pradesh state. Next one is Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. This is also given to the persons who have done outstanding performance in the field of sports. This year, this award was given to 4 people: D. Gukesh, Manu Bakar, Harmanpreet Singh and Praveen Kumar. When was the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award was started? This award was started from 1991 to 1992. Initially, this award was known as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, but in the 2021, this was renamed as to honor legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. That's it for today. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel Study with you Mahi, please do subscribe and also like the video and don't forget to share with your friends also.